let's calculate the average of the sixth field here, the one with the decimal points, for the lines that are errors that start with E. So there are two easy ways to get just the lines with E. We did this before, where we're using awk, and we're taking the first field. We're using a regular expression operator. So instead of making it equals or not equals, we're saying using this regular expression where it's true. Fields, the first field that starts with the letter E, and we're encompassing it in the slashes. That's your regular expression pattern enclosed inside of it. Then we're going to print the entire line. That's what $0 means. And we get those errors. Now, just as a tidbit, that $0 is nice for certain things, and I just put it in there to demo. You don't actually need it. And again, this could have been done with a grep instead. So now we have the output that's showing us the errors, and we want to calculate the average. So let me look through here until I find the one I wanted. I have lots of these. Getting closer. Okay, this here is going to count the average, and what it's doing, it's did it for the warnings instead of the errors, but it's taking a sum of the sixth field. So first we're going through and getting the warnings, then we're keeping a cumulative sum, and then we're counting the number of lines. And once that's done, then we're just going to print the average, and we get that. So if we were to change this and put the errors in instead of the warnings, get a different number. Okay, so that's cool, but there's another little thing in awk, and we could have done this and put NR, which is the number of records. But will we get the same thing? Because the number of records would be the number of lines in the file. Notice that it's different because that's the number of records in the file, the number of rows in the file, as opposed to the ones that met the criteria here. And we could put a big old long one in here, a crazy line that prints lots of stuff. I can find it. Here. So this one here is doing that. It's taking the warnings, it's doing the cumulative sum, the count, then it's going to print the sum divided by the number of records, the sum divided by the count, and the number of records. And you can tell the different values there. So that is how to calculate an average in awk.